Today I will show you how to download and install U-Center in a Windows computer. The first video is very basic, so if you are already familiar with U-Center and would like to get more advanced training, please be patient. We're planning more advanced videos once we've gone through the basics. As you can see, I have already my browser open and pointed to u-blox official website. We go to the Support and Evaluation Software page. Here, you can find support tools for all the products in u-blox portfolio, also for cellular and short range. Our interest today is in U-Center, so we click on the product link and go to the U-Center product page. Here, you can also find the product documentation and additional resources, such as this great blog about 11 things you probably didn't know about U-Center. Truly great stuff. As you can see, also the user guide and release notes are available for download separately. But don't worry, if you don't want to download the documentation, it will be available into the installation folder once we install U-Center. And I truly encourage you to read the documentation, especially if you're approaching this tool or the GNSS world for the first time. Once the package download is finished, we install it. We unzip the folder. We accept the default language for the installer. You can choose a different one if you wish. Click Next. Here we have the End User License Agreement, or EULA. I advise you to read it since it contains important information about the licensing of the application. Once you finish reading, click I agree. And now we're into the drivers page. If you have installed previous version of U-Center in Windows 10, you might remember you needed to select and install the correct drivers. Now this is no longer necessary, since U-Center we use the USB driver that comes with Windows 10. Click Next, and you can select the destination. We'll leave the default one. Click Install, and after a few seconds, the application is installed.